Welcome back to my channel, guys. We're jumping right into this video. I'm starting off with the wig cap, and I'm going to be putting a little bit of this got to be right in front of my hairline. Not too much and not too little, literally a decent layer. So I'm going to take the got to be free spray and spray that right on my hairline, just to make sure that it doesn't like slide back or just lift up. This is really important. And after I put a nice layer, I'm going to cut my ear tabs and do the same thing. Spray the got to be free spray and then put that black styling gel and just lay it down, let it dry up for a little bit, and then we'll be on to the next step. Okay, so after I let that dry, I'm just going to take it off, make sure I don't feel any wet spots, and now it's time to cut the cap. Okay, so this part, I wish I did cut a little bit closer to my hairline. I ended up leaving just a little bit more than I would have liked, but again, not tripping, trial and error. This is my first time, so don't come for me. But because you're doing it, make sure you don't leave too much of the cap. Okay, so now I'm back with the free spray. I'm spraying it right along that edge where I cut because it kind of made it lift up just a little bit, and I wanted it completely seamless as possible. So I'm just going along with it and just pressing it down with my finger, and period. I was starting to see the vision coming to life. So wrap this up and blow dry it on cool, and yeah. Okay, so now I'm taking my Fit Me foundation in 360 and I'm applying it right on my hairline. Honestly, looking back, I wish I would have applied it more towards the middle of my head and then worked it towards the front, just so it's not like heavy coverage right on the hairline. It probably wouldn't have created those like it looks like spots to me a little bit, but it's fine. So just make sure you apply lightly first before you just go in. I'm so weak. If I don't get my peanut head, I am so freaking weak. Oh my gosh, heck no. I was looking at that like, why do I look familiar? That's why. But I'm just putting the foundation on the lace, same color that I put on the cap, and just just blending that in really, really well. And yeah, you could do this or you could buy a lace tint, whichever is easy. I'd rather just use my foundation since I already got it. Okay, so now I'm using the free spray again. That's going to just set that foundation in the lace. And I'm going to wipe all the excess product off. Make sure you really get as close as possible to the lace. But don't go too crazy because you're going to lift the cap back up. And yeah, so I'm about to prepare to cut the ear tabs off. If you watched my prepping video for this wig, you saw that I over bleached a tiny part by the ear, but I already knew it was going to be okay because I'm going to have to cut that off anyway, and this is the part that I was talking about. I'm hurt, I know. I was making those faces because, you know, when you just like, you look to one side so much and it's like straining the other eye. That's why I was kind of trying to squint because I feel like it was about to pop out the socket. So yeah, just cut that ear tab off. It's not that much of the wig. That's what I just showed you, and now I'm going to do the other side. Okay, so for this step, I'm just making sure that the lace is placed exactly where it needs to be. And I'm just spraying the freeze spray right along the hairline of the wig and just pressing it in. And now tie it up and let it dry for 5 minutes. Okay, so after I let it dry for 5 minutes, I'm going to cut the excess lace off, and I'm going to use an eyebrow cutter and just cut in jagged motions. Catch this kissy face I'm about to do. I don't know why I do that. It's like either I'm feeling myself and I do that, or I'm not feeling myself and I try to like do that to make it cuter. I don't know. I know I'm not the only one though. But right now I'm just cutting the extra lace off. I know it looks like, what the heck is going on? But give me a freaking second. Like, it's all gonna turn out. Give me a second. If you have made it this far, why are you watching and you're not subscribed? Like, what are you doing? Like, honestly, that's just evil. Subscribe to my channel. Like the video. Do something. I mean, clearly you're entertained to stay this far along. Or maybe I'm helping you out. Like, whatever the case may be, you're still watching. So why are you not subscribed? I'm confused. Okay, and back again with the freeze spray. I'm going along my edges again, and this is a part where I said it's all gonna turn out. You're not even gonna, you can't even see the little jagged edge. So the freeze spray is honestly gonna be your best friend. You just really want to make sure you press it in just like that. Like, that's where oh my gosh, like, oh my gosh, yeah. But that's where it all starts coming together for me. And yeah, I'm just using like the side of my comb to really press it in. I am not using heat. I haven't used heat at all this whole installation. I'm always using cool. So I'm going to take my Nairobi foaming lotion and I'm just going to place that right where I'm about to do my baby hairs and a little bit on the hair. Make sure you don't go too crazy because we didn't use any form of glue, so it will lift up if you go crazy. So don't do that. I'm about to lay my baby hairs, do my makeup, and then I will show y'all the final result. Real quick, I just wanted to show y'all what I do to keep these curls like really nice and the wet look. I spray water and then put some of that Nairobi foam setting lotion. It's not drying or sticky or anything like that. I love it. Okay, y'all, so I just did my makeup and I have to say I'm quite feeling myself. I am feeling myself. For real. This hair is bomb. I can't do a for real review on it just because this is my first day having it in. Not even first day. I can't even say that. I just literally installed it. But my initial thoughts is it's so soft. It bleached easy. I loved how it came pre-plucked. I really didn't even need to pluck it. I just did it just to do some extra stuff. And I love the little package. Like everything it came with. But yes, I love it. I'm gonna take it down just so y'all can see like how it looks down. I just threw it up in this like half up, half down. Cause I am a little like on the thickness just cause I don't like super thick hair. And I have noticed that I gotta spray this to like keep it like down, but after a while it's gonna start shedding, so it's gonna go from 180 density to 150. So that's why I got it. But this is how it looks down. And I had a part, but I honestly just like it like this, like no part, just flipped. Like, okay. Cause I need to be on the side. I need to be on that side. For my first time bleaching, doing my little baby hairs, I really did that. Yeah, wigs are definitely the move for me from now on. I feel like I need to be like, I don't know, I feel like I just need to be somebody's sugar baby. But let me stop. But seriously, how cute am I? Ooh, hold up. Thumbnail. 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 I feel like I need a bag with a poodle inside. Cause that's just how I'm feeling right now. I'm feeling really bougie. I'm feeling classy. I'm feeling ratchet. Yeah, literally every time I do my hair, every time I'm feeling myself, like I have all these scenes that I have in my head that I try to like live out. Like, for instance, I'll be like, babe, 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 I want the Chanel bag. Babe, I want those Dior heels. Oh, this? No, it's real. It's my real hair. You can't tell. Look, it's growing out my scalp. You can't tell. It's me. All me. It's real. It didn't take long to grow. No, I literally just cut it like 2 years ago, and it just grew back all the way. Yeah, my hair grows fast. What can I say? I'm done playing with y'all. Like this video, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for